Good evening, guys. So, let me just get this camera. There we go. I'm sitting in Chris's desk. So, tonight's episode, we haven't got much for tonight's episode because, Haggy, why have we not got enough for tonight's episode? Because we're so bloody busy. But I want to keep these videos out every Sunday, so I want to just put something in for 8 minutes. Unfortunately, guys, we are absolutely flat out. The last boat that come in was 17 cars, and I think 15 of them are sold. We've got a boat arriving next week with 15 cars, so we're going to do that video as well. So that'll be a good video. Workshop side of stuff is busy. We've got Race Wars coming up 2nd of August as well, so make sure you get your tickets for that. In terms of workshop updates, we're literally just preparing cars that are going out. So, and then there's obviously projects. We've got cars that are going to be racing. So there's not much really I can update you there. We have had a few of those little jobs here and then, but the timings haven't worked out for us to do a video, something for you to watch. We're going to do another sort of sales feature. Unfortunately, we've just done the Alpina one. So after doing the Alpina feature, we thought, do you want to see another Alpina style video? It didn't do very well, the views, so we decided against it. But the good news is the Alpina did sell. So a local guy bought it. It's leaving tomorrow. Today is Friday. It's leaving on Saturday. So it has sold. He was interested before the video anyway, but anyway, it's gone. So I'm going to show you a car that I think is worth investing in and buying if you got some money to spend. So I'm going to take you around and show you. So this Corvette, and I'm going to get this wrong, is it a ZR? No, it's not a ZR. It's ZC51, but Haggy's going to tell us in a minute because I'm going to grab him here because he knows the spec of this. But I bought this in Japan purely because I like the look of it. So when I buy a car, I always go off looks as well. Haggy's more of, he goes off the specs and stuff. So I will grab Haggy soon, and he's going to tell you a little bit more about this car. But I know it's got some cool features and it's got extras under the bonnet, but Haggy will explain that. While I'm here as well, I'm going to show you the Cozzy, which is over there. We're just waiting for registration. We've got Wolf Competitions Lambo, so that'll be at Race Wars. Big shout out to Wolf for the sponsorship again this year. Without that, we can't run these events because the costs are mega. We've still got this beautiful BRZ Jun demo car. Guys, honestly, if you've wanted a little fun car built by one of the best in Japan, that's the car to buy. So, right, I am going to give you to Haggy, and Haggy's going to tell you more about this Corvette because he's been pushing me to buy a Corvette, and I kind of just bought this. There he is. Haggy, come here.
How's it going?
You all right, buddy?
You all right?
Right, obviously we've been really busy. I'm just explaining to everybody that we would have loved to do another video, but how busy we've been.
Have you mentioned how busy we actually have been? It's been
super
3
busy.
or 4 cars.
Leaving just today.
Just today. Yeah.
Actually, what was left today? So there's a Porsche left today, a Corolla, no, a Yaris GR left today, RS5 left today,
a Jeep.
A5 left today,
Yeah.
a Jeep left today, an R32 left today. We had an MOT today. A GTR came from Carlisle today.
Yep.
It's just been super busy, guys. 370Z as well.
Yeah.
Like, I'm talking like 8 or 9 cars leaving every day for either service, sales, or repairs. But I'm going to pass you over to the main sales guy, He has sold the Alpina. So if
Me
you see
baby, I
all the
love that car.
little jokes all the time, I'm sure he didn't want to sell it, you know. But obviously we had the issue with the registration. It literally only got registered last week.
It's one of them cars where as soon as it has a reg, it's gone. You know.
Yeah, it was a nice car. I was actually tempted to keep it for myself as a daily.
I love it.
But
yeah.
JV has bought a new daily in Japan, so you're going to be... Will they be excited, do you think, when they see it?
I think we need to see what you guys think it might be.
When it comes, I bought a new daily.
Yeah.
Let's just tell you something. It's... What clues can I give? It's an Audi.
Oh, well,
there's a
that
clue.
gives it away.
That's all I can
Yeah,
say. But yeah, all right, Haggy, over to you, buddy.
Cool. So yeah, so you're going to touch base on this briefly before. So it's a C7 Corvette. People see that, but it's also a Z51 package. So what does that get you? So what it gets you is obviously the base LT1, which is a 6.2 V8. You have enhanced cooling to handle the track. You get a LSD. You get loads of other options compared to a factory car. So that's where the best bang for the buck you get initially before you obviously hit the Z06s. But this is not one trick pony. This has got a very cool secret underneath the bonnet. So let's have a quick look. So as you can see there, it's not exactly any more. So it's got an Elderbrook supercharger kit, which has got the bespoke tune, all the cooling mods to suit it. And if you look over there, Kev, it's got the cooling tank. So just a really good power adder. Already a fast car in any form, but now this is definitely a potent car. Yeah, obviously I mentioned before about the Z51 pack. You obviously get bigger brakes. You got the diff. This actually has the additional competition seats, or competition buckets as the Americans call them, but they're a bit more of a flatter bucket seat compared to what we're used to, which makes it a bit easier for us. We're getting a bit larger. So yeah, there you go in there. Look inside, you've got the comp seats. It's also a 7-speed manual car as well, which is inherently rare. Yeah, and this is also a Targa. So when summer comes, if we finally get it, we'll be able to take that off and enjoy it. You've obviously got additional stuff like the gurney wings, which is adjustable depending on how much downforce you want. It's got a sports exhaust, which is valved, which is handy for when you want to keep it quiet for the neighbours. But I think of the era, this is one of the best rear end designs. It still looks classy, but it still looks mean at the same time. And I think what people really want us to obviously do is do a driving video, don't they? I think that's what we're going to have to do next. But yeah, super cool car. Super car performance, literally, you know, well over 700 horsepower. In a very compact and usable package as well. Oh, I forgot to mention, the Z51 is actually dry sump, believe it or not. So a very cool race-derived performance edition. Keeps all the oil pressure consistent. So yeah, really cool car. Yep, so obviously the next step now is deal to machine polish and do the preparations on it. So this will be a different vehicle once again, once everything is all prepped.
So as Haggy told you, that is the Corvette. I hope you guys like it. It is on the website. I am open to a deal if you want it. It's a really nice car. Otherwise, if you don't want to buy it, it'll just go in my storage and no doubt it'll be worth a fortune sometime in 5 years' time. But as of now, I'm open to a deal. Hit me up. All the details are on the website. And yeah, we can maybe get a deal across done for you. What else? So this week was my birthday. I appreciate the cakes. The big happy birthday cookie from Millie's. Don't know who that was, but appreciate it. So thank you very much. And also, it is Chris's birthday. So when this video is out, no doubt he has treated himself to something very nice. I don't know what he's bought, so I wonder what he is buying for his birthday, but I think it's something nice for his birthday. So maybe we should do a video about his birthday treat. But yeah, guys, see you in the next one. And next video will be a bit more sort of interesting than just me waffling on. See you later, guys. So that is all for today, guys. I hope you like the videos we're doing. Don't forget to subscribe, like the channel, share, comment, good, bad. Okay. There's also something else we need to announce.
Yeah.
War, we call it War here, which means hour. War Shelby is having a new baby. So congratulations to Toby and Shelby. So there's going to be a new addition, a new little boy or girl. So anyway, say congratulations to them. Guys, see you later.
Get your deal there. You can tell it's a Friday.
Whoever's in the bedroom, Kev.
It's not mine, it's Haggy's.